My name is Kelly Shaffer, and I am from San Diego, California. I work on understanding the human immune response to viruses. I am very interested in Ebola and Marburg viruses, and both of these are considered neglected tropical diseases. For example, Marburg now has popped up in new places it's never been before in the past few years. Its continuing geographic reach basically means that more people are inherently going to be susceptible to it. Current treatment options that we have for a single type of Ebola will not necessarily work for others. And this is also confounded by the fact that all the Ebola and Marburg viruses co-circulate. So if you get sick with one of them, you won't necessarily know which one you have because the symptoms are the same. And then it makes it complex from a treatment side because you only have currently a treatment against one of the viruses, but not for the others. So the goal of my SPARK project is to find an antibody or multiple antibodies that could be used as a broad spectrum treatment against Ebola and Marburg. The samples associated with this SPARK project are from a cohort of individuals that have never been tested before, and similar cohorts will likely never be able to be tested. These samples are unlike anything I've ever seen in the sense of these people have antibodies at such high levels against so many different types of diseases. And these are the type of samples that likely have a silver bullet, meaning an antibody that would work against Ebola and Marburg. And part of that is because of where these individuals are from. They're from very, very rural parts of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. One of these individuals is 90 years old, and he worked as a janitor at the hospital where Ebola was first found. And he's worked as a janitor there for 70 years. So you can imagine what he's seen throughout his life from a pathogen standpoint. And so analyzing the immune response of individuals like this who've survived a multitude of pathogenic diseases is really a unique opportunity. I think my fellow finalists and I just want to say a tremendous thank you to every single donor, whether you donate $5 or a large amount, doesn't matter. We are so passionate about these projects that it is so motivating to have someone or a group of people really believe in what you're doing every day.